Good morning, everybody, or afternoon, night, you know the drill.
Ten toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me? I don't know. The thirsty, I'm your Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know. I maybe see me say I missed that little feeling when I kissed your face. Apnea Gorom, I was feeling so warm. Now I'm feeling so cold. Can you come and hold me? I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my...
As you can see, I have changed into proper attire. So I'm gonna get my life a little bit organized. I have this beautiful whiteboard which has fallen so many times that this part is like broken, but it's okay because I could just put it back together. I like writing on a whiteboard. It's just easier. You could just wipe it when you're done with it. Paperclip. But I made this cute little thing like a while ago. For some reason I have a crayon. I'm going to write down this week's schedule, just everything that's going on, get it all out on this. And of course I'm going to color code. There's going to be, actually I don't even know what the colors are going to be, but it'll be color coded. I'll explain it when I'm done. You wanted up here. You just wanted to cuddle. Yeah, I love you.
Toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me? I don't know. The thirsty, I'm your Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know.
Finally done with the schedule. Sorry, Charlie. I put like pretty much everything that needs to be done that's not YouTube related and food related. I put it in the dark green, and then the light green is food. Oh, the purple goes with the YouTube stuff. I realized like half of these are dead and I need more. Here, see. So I'm just gonna go through this. Monday, it is a holiday, so obviously, not really, I don't really have anything planned that day. And then I'm not gonna go through everything, but on Saturday, you know to expect food videos, food related videos this week. We're gonna do pancakes and bacon, a little breakfast for dinner. Who doesn't love it? Come on, really, who doesn't love it? Because I'm here for that. I haven't had that in a long time. And now we're gonna get into a deep conversation. Recently I have been going through some health issues, if you will. It's been very stressful. If you saw one of my other videos, I don't even know which video it was, but I know I posted it just recently. You will see me stressing out. So the MRI did come back like clean, negative, great news. But also not great news because I was like, okay, more testing. We don't know what the problem is. And so the doctors and she's like, oh yay, we know like it's not a mess, it's not like anything like causing that. I was like, yay. Like, I don't want it to be like that bad, you know, affecting my brain. But like, then she said the same thing that I was thinking. She was like, I know like this is good news, but it's also like, what's next? Yes, what is next? So, what was next was I had to give blood, and a lot of things came back super, super high, and then from that, I had to give more blood, and I was like, more blood? Because in the first one, the first time I gave blood, I had to give like 4 vials, and I'm a small person. That's a lot for me. But then the second time I went, I only gave 1, and I was like, and I had a fast for that one, so I was like freaking out because the last time I gave blood, I felt like really, really sick, and I ate and I drank water, and I still felt like that. So the second time, I was like very nervous, and I was like, I don't want to feel like crap again, but I was fine. I was completely fine, and I was like, that's it. That's fine. That's fine with me. All that testing came back, and things were still high, but then some things were low, and then it like really didn't make sense. So now I have to go get an ultrasound for my liver, which at the point where I'm so stressing out about this that I just want them to be like, okay, you have this, we're good, we're done. But it's like, there's so many things that it could be that it's like, we gotta do this, and it's like, when will it end? Of course it will end if I want it to end, and I do, but at the same time, I want it to end by getting the answers that I need. I don't, like, it's not cancer, but I'm saying, this is an example. Let's say I did, and like, I didn't do the things that I needed to do, and then they're like, oh, you got 3 weeks to live. Like, I will be so mad at myself. No, I do not have cancer, but I'm not a doctor, and there's a reason I'm not a doctor, so I really don't know. But I'm just saying, like, that's not a thing. Like, she would definitely say something. With right now is that there is a problem with my liver. It's super inflamed to the point where she was like, were you heavy drinking? Like, have you been drinking a lot? I don't drink. Well, are you sure? Like, I know you just came back home, and no, I don't. Okay, well, you know, I just have to ask because your liver is like very inflamed. It's so inflamed that they thought I was heavily drinking. That's concerning because I was not and have not. So I don't know, and they don't know. So then she's like, okay, ultrasound. It's like, okay, I made the appointment, and the appointment is so far away. It's not even gonna be this week. It's gonna be like on the 12th, and I am trying to get an earlier appointment because, like I said, I'm just trying to get this done. So if they do find something, you know, they're not gonna be like, it's not gonna be fast, whatever happens, because it's not, we know this issue isn't like life or death. It's just like something that needs to be fixed. So after I get that done, she's like, okay, I also need you to see GI doctor. I have that scheduled for the 22nd of this month. That's like the end of the month. And like I said, this is why I've been stressing out, because I know I cannot do anything about this. You know, it's doctors trying to get an appointment isn't the easiest, but all I can do at this point is try and call to see if anybody has cancellations and hope that I get an earlier appointment. Because like I said, just trying to nip this in the butt, get it done. Let's just be done and have no more problems, because I don't need. Another thing, that she said was that with the new readings from the blood test, she thinks that it could be my gallbladder. And you know, if it's that, like, great, because that could just be taken out. Like, you don't need that. But it's like, in my head, I'm thinking, you know, everybody has organs in their body, and you were made with them. Like, you know, I have a gallbladder for a reason. So if they have to take it out, why did I have one in the first place if I don't really need it? I don't know. That is the little health update. I'm not dying, but I don't know what it is. But I will update you, of course, when I know. If I ever know at this point, you know, it's gonna take a long time. All right, so the house is a disaster. Okay, I love it. It's not a disaster. I've been keeping up with it, but I need to do the laundry, wipe down the counters, and vacuum. So that is what we're doing.
Save my soul. 10 toes in my bankroll. Why you running away from me? I don't know. The thirsty on me, Paco. Why you running away from me? I don't know. I maybe see me say I missed that little feeling when I kissed your face. Apnea garam, I was feeling so warm. Now I'm feeling so cold. Can you come and hold me? I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my brain replacing your face. I don't think I'm okay. Tell me that you're okay. Every single thought inside my brain replacing your face. I don't like fighting, so it's alright. Fight.
Alright, so I'm so excited. I have not gotten new clothes in forever. This is from Hollister, and it's gonna be a small haul. There's only 3 things in here. I'm hoping that everything fits. Alright, so they're all size extra small. I am very teeny. Okay, so they always have really good deals, and pretty much everything I bought, like 2 things, this one and this one, were like $4 and some change. And then there's only one that I bought that was $8. Well, $8.99. This is the first item. Super cute. Now, it originally was $16.95, and I got it for $4. And it's cool because it's reversible. So, this is it, and then you can change it. And obviously, you cut this off. And then it's just yellow. I love it. I love yellow. So, we'll try all this on and show you. I am in love with my purchases. It is so cute. You can see the print. That's the only downside, but I like it. It has a little bra in it. I like that. That's some good quality. So this goes around your neck, and it's just like the cutest thing ever. Okay. This is so cute. This one, definitely my favorite. Okay, so this little detailing is so cute, and I'm pretty sure you can, like, let's see. No, I lied. Okay, can't, but it's cute. Suit. It is so freaking comfortable, and I actually really like this little Hollister detail on it. So cute. I like all of my purchases so much. It's like one. I actually never bought anything like this. I think that's really cute. I'm excited. All right, here's the first item. This is super cute. I love how it like pretty much goes down far away, and this ruching is so cute. It's like bathing suit material. Cape.
Alright, fighting when I don't like, die, let it go.
All right, guys, I am logging off, and I hope everybody had a great night. I had a very productive day, and I hope that you will too.